All right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. I actually didn't have a good day of trading today. I had a good day, but then I just didn't take my profits. So I had about $700. Didn't take the profits. I thought, man, let me get $1,300. That's not too much more to get. So I went in, tried to get the 300, and I saw it go down. Ended up losing today. I think I lost about I think I'm down $700 right now. So I had 700, didn't take the profits, ended up going down 700. So guys, take your profits, please. Take the profits. Don't do like me. Take your money. All right, but anyway, we're gonna get into some analysis on Tesla really quickly. First of all, thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching this channel, man. I really appreciate it. I do want to say one thing. I am trading with Apex Trader Funding right now. I'm doing a 50K account. I have a 50K account right now. It's going pretty decent. Other than today, I lost 700, but I was able to make a good chunk last week. I think I made almost five grand last week trading on there. So I'm not yet to the point where I can pull out any money yet. So I will be there probably in the next 10 days or so. So until then, I'm just gonna keep trading, keep trying to run it up, and we'll see how that goes. But anyway, all right, let's get back into the Tesla. Well, not back into it. Let's get into Tesla. What are we seeing? So guys, like I said last week on Friday's video, I said we were looking pretty good to go up. And the reason that I said that was because I was seeing right here in this area here, you see all these crosses happening. You got the 80 EMA crossing over the 200. We got the 45 EMA crossing over the 200. And anytime you kind of see them happen right around the same area is a very, very good chance that we will be heading higher. Or if it's the inverse is going down, it's a very good chance that we would be heading lower. So yeah, that's kind of what we saw today. We just saw a massive push up today. I think we're up 7% on the day, which is great. About time, right? About time we starting to get some upward momentum. It's very good. But however, guys, I do want to give you guys a word of caution. Because things are not looking the best right now in the markets, right? If you're following the markets, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, before I get into the market, because I want to get into the market and show you guys something. Before I do that, I just want to say where I think Tesla is going to go. No, actually, I'm going to get into the markets right now. Let's get into the markets right now, and then after that, I'll tell y'all where I think Tesla's going. All right, so as you can see here, let me get the tool going. I was already going. Okay. In this area here, guys, this is where the action was going down today. We tried to break out of this macro red line here. This is a trend line. It's a very strong trend line at that. And so we tried to break out of it. We have been struggling all day. We kind of did, but then looks like that could have been a fake out breakout, and so we came right back underneath. And I think if you look closely, we actually closed underneath this red trend line. Not the best sign. You know, I kind of wanted us to break out of here, and I wanted us to hold. This trend line. I wanted to maybe get the retest, but I wanted us to hold. And so far, it's not looking like we have held. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit more. Get a little bit more closer. So here we go. You see all these wicks on these candles. It's not very good. Not a good sign. It means that we're getting rejected around this 4,000 area to 4,010 area. We're getting rejected, guys. So it's not good to see. Not something that we want to see, especially, because we're rooting for our stock Tesla to keep going. But, in order to do that, we need this market to work with us, and we need it to go up as well. And honestly, guys, if we cannot get back above this line, this red line tomorrow, somehow hold it and start to make a move higher, we're going to see this thing start to kind of taper off like this. And that's not going to be very good, because then we're going to drop, right? And if we drop, I think Tesla will follow shortly thereafter. I do want to show you guys one other thing, the Dixie, right? This is the US dollar. Typically, what you'll see when the dollar is going up, you will see the market kind of go down, right? It's typically like they're kind of inversely related, right? And so that's kind of what happens. I don't have all the knowledge to tell you exactly why that happens, but I just know from looking at this stuff for a while, I know that is just something that happens, right? Maybe you guys in the comments, educate me on why this happens, but it just happens, right? So as you can see, we have what? Bam, bam. That is, my friends, a double bottom, which is a bullish reaction, right? It's a bullish pattern, so to speak. And so this typically means that Dixie, and you see this 8, the yellow is the 8. It's crossing my 45 here. So what it looks like is trying to happen is it's trying to go up now. So it's not very good for the market, guys. That could be really, really bad. It means that the market is probably going to have some downside the coming week or next week. It's not really looking the best for the market right now. And since it's not looking the best for the market in the midterm, short term and midterm, it's probably not going to look the best for our stock Tesla, which I hate to say, but I have to just, be 100% honest with you guys. So, but what I do see from Tesla, the good news is I do still see some upside, right? I do still see, even if the market if the market drops tomorrow, I think there's still a chance that our stock is going to keep rallying up. I still think we continue pushing up. Now, where we may get rejected at, it could be in this area here. If you follow my cursor over here, this little area here is some resistance, which is the 136 to 140 area. So maybe we hit that area and it's a possibility that we could come down, reject, or we get through that area and we come into this zone here and we reject from this zone. But I think that's going to be, again, contingent on what the market decides to do. If the market drops, I do see Tesla still going up, but at some point, in the near future, I think Tesla will fall. And I hate to say that, but I think that's just what we are seeing. With that being said, guys, so make sure tomorrow, if you are in positions in Tesla stock, make sure you are cautious and you are aware of the price action, and make sure you are watching the market and seeing what the market is doing, because depending on that, it's going to determine how high we go with Tesla right now. But anyway, if the market does good, we're good. Not to worry. Tesla's going to keep going up. But if it does bad, I think Tesla will still go up. But I think very, very shortly, we will probably be seeing a reject somewhere. But anyway, that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you are not already. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel, man. And till next time, peace.